You've actually recently said that Microsoft is generating 30% of all new code with AI. Um, I'm curious what you think the world will look like when 90 or 95% of all code is generated by AI.
Yeah, it's a couple of different things. One is you got to remember, like when I look at the amount of deficit we have, right? If I sort of looked at, let's call what people say is tech debt or IT debt, right? Which is if you look around the world and said the number of projects that are still unfinished, the reality is we need a lot more software development in order to be able to really reach the goal of being able to work down that deficit. So you start there. We have a problem. That is, we don't have all of the software development capability and supply in order to meet the demand. We always had IntelliSense, but we now just have better intelligence that works with code completions. Then to be able to today, the launch of the coding agent is pretty cool because, like as I said, like even for me, and it's no longer sufficient for me to just file bugs. I got to get involved in even fixing bugs, right? So having a peer programmer that I can work with, and of course, remember, ultimately the human is in the loop. I think we overstate the autonomy here, right? Because even before it does any CI/CD thing, it comes back for a human review, right? But ultimately, there is a workflow here where people inside of a development organization are going to work with these AI agents to essentially work down the deficit we have. That's the world I sort of see more so than anything else.